In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows 11. If you want to remove WPS Office from your computer and make sure the built-in uninstall process is completed properly, this walkthrough will guide you through it in a simple and clear way. We'll be using the Windows 11 Settings app, so you won't need any extra software to get started. First, open Settings by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to access your system settings in Windows 11. Once Settings opens, look to the left-hand panel and click Apps. This section is where Windows manages installed programs, default apps, and other application-related options. After that, select Installed Apps. This will open the full list of programs currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many apps you have, it may take a moment to load. Now scroll down through the list until you find WPS Office. If you want to save time, you can also use the search bar at the top of the page and type WPS Office to locate it more quickly. This is especially helpful if you have a long list of installed applications. When you find WPS Office, click the three-dot menu beside it. This will open a small set of options for that app. From there, choose Uninstall. Windows will then ask you to confirm the action. Click Uninstall again to continue. This second confirmation helps prevent apps from being removed accidentally. Next, a user account control pop-up may appear, asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. This is a normal Windows security prompt that appears when a program needs permission to continue with changes like uninstalling software. After that, the WPS Office uninstall window will appear. In that pop-up, click Uninstall directly and then click Uninstall Now when prompted. Follow the prompts carefully so the removal process continues without interruption. Another pop-up will then appear with an option related to your reason for uninstalling and clearing data. Select the radio button for no longer using it, clear data to ensure security, and then click OK. This helps remove associated data during the uninstall process, which is useful if you want a cleaner removal. Once that finishes, WPS Office will be removed from your Windows 11 computer. And that's it. You've successfully completed the uninstall process for WPS Office in Windows 11.